It's impossible for not to happen. It's possible if you try to. I'm there for you and we are there for each other. And let's just be there and let's keep learning and let's keep growing. And without any further delay, let's get started to solve the problem on the screen. So this is the problem from numerical solutions of ordinary differential equations. And we have to use Taylor series method to find the approximate value of y when x is 0.1 and given y at 0 is equal to 1 and y dash is equal to 3x plus y square, and given the question y dash is equal to 3x plus y square, and also it is given that y at 0 is equal to 1, which means y naught is equal to 1 and x naught is equal to 0, and here our x value is nothing but 0.1. So we have to find using Taylor series method. So we have a question. We have the formula that y1 is equal to, this is y naught plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into y naught power fourth derivative. So we have to substitute all the values here. For that, the first derivative y dash is equal to, this is 3x plus y square. And if we differentiate with respect to x for calculating y naught double dash, we have to derive with respect to x. For x it is 1, this is 3 and this is 2y, and again for y it is the first derivative y dash. And the next third derivative is, for 3 it is 0 and this is u and this is v. 2 into, if I make a derivative of this y dash, it will be y dash square, and this is 2y, and for y dash it is y double dash. And if I substitute the fourth, if I derive for the fourth time, this is 2 2s are, this is 4, this is y dash, and again for y dash it is y double dash, and this is UV rule. So we have to make a derivative of y, which is y dash, and y double dash we have to leave like that, and this is 2y. For y double dash we are making the derivative, that is y triple dash. So these are the like terms, y dash, y double dash, and here also y dash, y double dash. So we have to add up 4 plus 2, this is 6, this is 6 y dash, y double dash plus 2y, y triple dash. Now we have to find the value at y naught. So y dash, see here y naught dash is equal to, see I am applying naught, that is 3 naught plus y naught square, and next y naught double dash. So y naught double dash is equal to 3 plus, this is 2 y naught dash, and the third derivative y naught triple dash, here it is, which is equal to 2 into y naught dash whole square plus 2 y naught into y naught double dash, and y naught, the fourth derivative is 6 y naught dash, y naught double dash plus 2 y naught into y naught triple dash. So I have to substitute all the values here. So I have x naught is equal to, see here the x naught value is 0, y naught value is 1. So if I substitute all the values here, that is y naught dash is equal to 3 into 0 plus 1 square, so which is equal to 1. So I got y naught dash value as 1. So if I substitute the same thing, y naught double dash value is equal to, this is 3 plus 2 into, what is y naught? Y naught is 1 here, and y naught dash value is again 1, so which is equal to 3 plus 2, this is 5. So y naught double dash value is 5, and again y naught triple dash, so this is 2 into y naught dash whole square, that is 1 square plus 2 into y naught, so this is 1, and y naught double dash value is 5, so which is equal to 2 plus 5 2s are 10, 12. So implies y naught triple dash value is 12, and later if I substitute here, that is y naught fourth derivative, this is 6 into y naught dash, what is y naught dash value? This is 1, y naught double dash, this is 5 plus 2 times of y naught, the y naught value is 1, and y naught third derivative is 12. So y naught fourth derivative is 6 5s are 30 plus this is 24. So y naught at fourth derivative is 54. So after getting all these values, see, now I have to substitute in the Taylor series method. So now we have the formula as, see, So y1 is equal to, this is y naught plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash and h power 4 by 4 factorial into y naught power fourth derivative. And here if you observe this one, so here we have to take h is equal to, so here we have to go with h is equal to 0.1 and we have all the values as y naught dash value is 1 here and y naught double dash value, I'll show you, this is 5, and y naught triple dash value, so triple dash value is 12 here, and y naught fourth derivative, so the fourth derivative here is 54, so this is 54. So I have to substitute all the values here. Then y1 is equal to, what is y naught? So y naught value, I'll show you, this is 1. So y naught value is equal to 1. If I substitute here, this is 1 plus 0.1 by 1 factorial into y dash naught. Y naught dash is equal to 1 and this is 0.1 whole square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash. So y naught double dash is 5 and this is 0.1 whole cube by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash. This value is 12 and this is 0.1 whole power 4 by 4 factorial into this value is, see here, this is 54, this is not 15. So this value is 54. So this one, this is 0.1, sorry, this is 1 plus 0.1 plus, this is, if I square it, this will be 0.01 by 2 factorial is 2 into 5 and this is 0.001 cube by 1 into 2 into 3, this one is 6 into 12 plus this is 0.0001 by 4 factorial, this is 24 into 54. So our y1 value is, if I go with this, I'll see that is 1 plus, see here 0.1 plus, so this is 0.01 into 5 divided by 2, how much it is, plus, and this is 0.001 into 2 plus this is 0.0001 into 54 divided by, this is 24. So this value is, so how much is this value? This is 1.127225. So how much is the value? 1.127. So we got the value at y at x1. So y at 0.1 value is nothing but 1.127. This is 225. So this is the value which is asked in the question. That is, so we have to use Taylor series method to find the value of approximate value of y at x is equal to 0.1 and y naught is equal to 1 and y dash is equal to 3x plus y square. So this is the value, that is 1.127225. So thank you very much for staying all through my journey, and stop being very casual and start practicing daily. I have done with everything I wanted to tell you today, and it's your turn to practice and share it with your friends if you really like this video, and raise your thumb if you really like and pass it on to your friends, and subscribe to this channel before you leave. Thank you so much.